issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, western Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:57 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Springfield to 11 miles southwest of Fairview, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Springfield, Ashland City, Nashville, Madison, Hendersonville, Brentwood, Goodlettsville, White House, Millersville, Greenbrier, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Coopertown, White Bluff, Belmead, Kingston Springs, Lakewood, Pegram, and Ridgetop. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Nashville.